Good morning, Walt. How you doing? We are in Sanur today.
We start again. Your voice is just like.
We're not gonna cut this one. Okay. Okay. One more.
Damian just woke up. I forced him to wake up in the morning. Like, wake up! Let's have a morning walk in Sanur Beach and show how it is now.
We just arrived. We just arrived to the warung, and my alarm on the phone just started ringing. Can you imagine that? So it's too early.
So yeah, we are in what is it called? Behind me, there are so many boats that will depart to the Nusa Penida and Nusa Lembongan.
And behind us is the Grand Ina Hotel. So we are in that area today.
Okay, so now we are in Sanur, especially in the area where normally whenever you want to go to Nusa Lembongan or Nusa Penida, but unfortunately today we are not going to Nusa Penida or Nusa Lembongan. We just want to chill, have a morning breakfast, morning tea with a pisang goreng or something snack.
In the local warung.
In the local warung. I know that some of you, our viewers, maybe used to be, like going here in the local warung, having a morning breakfast. And look, surround me. Wow, beautiful Mount Agung and locals enjoying their time on the beach. So we decided to go Sanur. I know maybe some people Sanur again, but this is our daily life. So in the morning we have a morning exercise and already with a snack.
Morning snack with the morning local warung ladies praying there actually right now, but it's okay. And also there is the lady selling tickets to Nusa Lembongan, and there is Dogo even. Very local vibes.
Yeah. So we are here to show you the update regarding why Mr. Jokowi and then all the ministers coming here. So here in the, what is it called, the website, the government website, Mr. Jokowi was in the area of the Grand Ina Bali Beach resort because Mr. Jokowi did the groundbreaking for the international hospital in Bali. The government planned to build the international hospital in Bali because you can see from the picture here. So on Monday, Mr. Jokowi was here in Sanur because there will be a huge international hospital in Sanur, and Sanur will be assigned as the kawasan ekonomi khusus kesehatan. So the economic special site for the health. And then this big hospital will collaborate with the Mayo Clinic from America Serikat, from United States. And then Mr. President said on his speech that mentioned that in every year approximately 2 million Indonesian people go abroad to get the international health.
2 million people.
2 million people.
And I think they also
year.
losing a lot of money for that.
Yes. So Indonesian people, they are going to Singapore, Malaysia, Japan, America, and then they losing like 97 trillion rupiah.
I will translate how many dollars is this, but a lot. Anyway.
So it means that Mr. President thinking that why didn't they just build international hospital like international standard in Bali, and especially in the Grand Ina Bali Beach. Maybe if you still remember that last time Damian was there also to record that in the Grand Ina Bali Beach hotel, it was used by the government for the quarantine hotel. So it seems like, based on Mr. President's speech, if you see that on YouTube, he's saying that Grand Ina Bali Beach Hotel and golf course will be refurbished.
The hotel will be refurbished and the golf course will be
demolished and they're gonna build the hospital.
Yeah.
So the plan actually, they're gonna start it from this year, and then they plan to make the first operational, the first operation in the 2023, and then there will be 4 phase of development. He even explained that all supplies of the medicine and everything, they will import it like alat-alat kesehatan, obat-obatan, bahan baku obat. So it means that the government will import the medical supplies, the medical stuff, the medical, what is it called? Equipment and medicine. They will import it because the government work together with the Mayo Clinic from United States.
So basically they want to make it high standard.
Yes, exactly.
Very high standard. You have a big tea with the glass like for the pint for the beer, you know?
Yeah, this is like how it is. Local life, lah.
I know.
Have a drink.
So we have like a tea with the local snacks. Check this out.
And this one is called bantal. What is it called? Sticky rice inside.
In the banana.
Balinese snack.
Banana
No,
leaf,
this
yeah?
is not banana leaf.
No.
This is coconut leaf.
Alright.
So this one sticky rice, and inside is the kind of peanut, red peanut.
Alright, so we're gonna enjoy our tea little bit morning, and then we're gonna show you area of the Gina hotel and where the hospital potentially gonna be. And also the promenade is finished already, very local area right now. And for me the biggest question is if they're gonna already finish this hospital and they refurbish the Grand Ina hotel, is this warungs gonna still exist here, or they gonna be pushed to move away? That's the...
I don't know. So what is your thought, guys? I mean, like, we invite your comments, your thoughts. Do you think that the local warungs will still exist if the big international hospital already built in Bali?
Good
because
question.
It's gonna be 4 years. I mean, like 4 development phase.
9
and
years.
Then,
I mean, for another 7 years, but may be delayed, and it's like 43 hectares of land behind. So that will be huge, very huge.
So guys, so last time we saw here, you know, this path when the Mr. President just come here in the area of Sanur. You see behind me, that's the golf course. Still, many people are playing golf, but later, in the few years in the future, this golf course will be demolished and become a big international hospital in Bali. You see, some people still playing golf, but later in the future. Behind me is the Jalan Bypass Sanur, and you see this is a prime, or this is a good location for the hospital. And this one is the area of the Bali Beach Resort, which is a 41.3 hectares. Alright, so those people are ready to go to Nusa Penida or Nusa Lembongan, and look at this. This area used to be local warungs, you know, like that, like this one, but they just like move it. Okay, so I think that if you still remember, if you plan to go to Nusa Lembongan, this area also the place where you can buy the ticket to go to Nusa Lembongan. So like this one, Marlin Fast Boat, and then because they didn't have a building, so this lady just opened like a small umbrella and opened the ticket. So this is the local vendors that we are thinking a lot about how their existence in the future. If in this area in Sanur will be the international hospital, big hospital, is it gonna still exist? Hi, honey.
Hi, Sayang.
We also see some of the locals here already having a breakfast with nasi, morning tea. Don't go there. So as you see on the left side, used to be the small warungs, the local vendors with the boat service, and then they just demolished that, and then they built the pavements like this one also for the walking path, and seems like they moved all the buildings to this side.
Also very interesting fact that's in the warung, where we show you at the beginning of the video, for the 2 tea and few snacks we just paid 10,000 rupiah, which is actually very local price. And they didn't even charge us more because I'm white, so that's very big stomach up for the Ibu. Big success for her. And the beautiful Mount Agung in the background, and the boats are already going to Nusa Lembongan and Nusa Penida. Beautiful, isn't it? Here we go, even Grand Ina Hotel have a cleaning staff here. Quite many people quick, boom, boom, and it's done, and the beach gonna be very clean, guys.
So yeah, if we compare like our previous videos in Jimbaran, like they just leave it dirty. Personally, I'm not really happy, but look, in Sanur, they really maintain the cleanliness. Even I think that this is a very big thumb up for the hotels.
Even the hotel is very old, right?
Yeah, even the hotel very old. I know this is the first 5 stars hotel in Bali behind me. So this is the area where the hotel gonna be refurbished and becoming the area of the kawasan ekonomi kesehatan, something like that planned by Mr. President.
The hotel is actually big and old, the biggest and the oldest hotel, one of the oldest hotel in Sanur. And well, I remember when last time, maybe not last time, but some time ago, I vlogged here, and there was the quarantine hotel, but now seems like it's open to public. And this hotel basically gonna be totally refurbished in the future when the construction of the hospital gonna be under the progress, right?
Yeah, and
So-
then I saw on YouTube, Mr. President YouTube, it's just like it's gonna be a massive building from the government.
Yeah,
And
it was actually massive complex, but it's gonna be bigger because the golf course will be exchanged into hospital. So big changes for Sanur and for Bali, a lot of changes. And it seems like the hotel is busy in this occasion actually. There is the breakfast restaurant, yes honey?
yeah, seems like when a breakfast time, especially here, I see that I can say busy, fully occupied. I
Very
don't know,
busy.
but yeah.
And the beautiful new promenade also is finished next to Grand Ina. It's actually pretty nice, white, clean, and the still trees exist here, White Beach. It's actually pretty nice area of Sanur, right? Isn't it?
Yeah, so comment below guys if you ever stay in this hotel, so maybe you can share your experience.
Also here, just on the other side, is the wedding chapel. Long time there's very popular wedding chapel because that was the Grand Ina actually. All of this here was the most premium, prestigious place in Bali so far. I remember some of the comment of you as you travel all around from the Kuta, Legian, stuff like this, just to this hotel because here was the phone, so you could call to your family in wherever you're coming from and having a croissant for breakfast. So that was like completely different era, like not like now wherever you go you can call with your phone, you can have a croissant on every corner, you can have a cappuccino on every corner of Bali actually right now, even in Denpasar, no problem. But long time ago only in this place. So a lot of memories from this place, and we didn't been born at that time yet, but I like to listen your stories about these places.
Whenever that you are planning to coming to Bali in the future, probably because the government said the planning will be finished. I mean, like the buildings, like all the hospitals, hotels, facilities upgraded and everything will be finished in 2029.
If
Maybe
not delayed. If
not
not delayed.
or postponed or something. If you are planning to come to Bali in that time in the future, maybe you will experience different. So yeah, guys, I think that's all our video today is from Sanur morning walk.
Oh, it's getting already very
Already
hot.
hot. And then it's time to go home and Damian is on
Edit
editing
video.
video. And me, I will have my own time, me time. So I think that's all our video today guys from Sanur. Thanks for watching. I hope this Sanur video is not boring for you, but you have a new information regarding what's in the future.
Honey, my hand is already pale holding the camera.
Okay, thank
Finish
you
it.
and see you tomorrow.
Bye guys.